Welcome to the realm of innovation and protection, where ideas transform into invaluable assets. We reside in a world where creativity is our currency, and safeguarding these creations is just as important as their conception. Today, we dive deep into this intricate maze of intellectual property rights, a domain where invention meets legal protection. We will journey through the complex terrain of IP processes, the vital checkpoints that are audits, and the intricate webs of valuation. We'll delve into the laws, the pitfalls, the triumphs, and the importance of intellectual property rights. Join us as we navigate through IP processes, audits, valuation, and much more. Intellectual property rights are the cornerstone of modern innovation. They provide a framework for safeguarding ideas in the modern world, shielding innovations from unauthorized use. These rights are not just legal terms but also the linchpin of our contemporary innovative ecosystem. They ensure that the originators of ideas, whether they are individuals or corporations, get credit for their creative thinking. This not only motivates further innovation, but also fosters a sense of fairness and justice within the creative community. By safeguarding the intellectual output of individuals and organizations, intellectual property rights effectively convert these intangible assets into something tangible, something substantial. They transform ideas into assets that hold clear, quantifiable value in our modern society. They protect the creations of the mind, turning them into tangible assets with real-world value. But how do we assess the true worth of these intangible assets? Intellectual property, often overlooked, is a treasure chest of value, hidden beneath the surface of business balance sheets. These assets may not have physical form, yet their worth can be monumental. To fully grasp the economic significance of intellectual property, one must undertake a methodical examination, an endeavor that is far from simplistic. This is where the concept of IP valuation is introduced. IP valuation is an intricate procedure that meticulously evaluates the economic value of this elusive property. It takes into account financial forecasts, legal protection, potential market size, and more, to estimate the worth of your intellectual creations. It unravels the mystery of the unseen, and transforms intangible into quantifiable. The answer lies in IP valuation, a complex process that gauges the economic value of your intellectual creations. Next, we delve into IP audits. These are not just routine checks, but comprehensive, systematic examinations of a business entity's intellectual property assets and operational processes. The core purpose of these audits is to provide an in-depth, unbiased overview of the company's intellectual property landscape. They meticulously analyze patents, trademarks, copyrights, and trade secrets, aiming to unearth all IP assets. These audits are no less crucial than financial audits in the corporate world. They are instrumental in identifying potential legal risks and vulnerabilities, thereby providing opportunities to fortify IP protection strategies. An effective audit identifies potential legal risks and ensures compliance with IP laws. Competitive monitoring is another key aspect. This process is a crucial element in the world of business and intellectual property. It requires vigilance, attention to detail, and an understanding of the market dynamics. In essence, it's all about keeping a close watch on the competitive landscape, observing how other companies manage and utilize their intellectual property. This doesn't simply mean copying their tactics, but rather understanding and dissecting them. Getting into the nitty-gritty of their strategy, their strengths, and even their weaknesses can provide valuable information. This intelligence gathered can prove to be invaluable, informing critical business decisions and shaping strategic direction. This method of monitoring provides insights for strategic decisions. And finally, we come to risk analysis. This is a crucial process that carefully assesses potential threats to your intellectual property. Everything is taken into account, from evolving market trends that could undermine your unique position, to sudden legal changes that can potentially affect the status of your assets. It's not just about protection, but also about staying ahead of the curve. It requires continuous vigilance and adaptability. By closely studying these variables, you can better anticipate changes, prepare for different scenarios, and react swiftly to protect your interests. It ensures your valuable assets stay protected. As we've seen, the world of intellectual property is intricate and dynamic. Navigating this sphere requires a deep and comprehensive understanding. It's a universe where creativity meets the law, where an idea can be protected and valued. Intellectual property audits are pivotal. They measure the effectiveness of your IP management. They provide valuable insights into the protection status and use of your IP assets. IP valuation, a complex process, quantifies the monetary value of these assets. Competitive monitoring keeps a watchful eye on potential infringements, ensuring your IP remains secure. Risk analysis, the final piece, identifies vulnerabilities in your IP strategy. Understanding IP audits, valuation, competitive monitoring, and risk analysis is crucial in safeguarding your creative and innovative assets. Thank you for joining us in this journey through the landscape of intellectual property rights. Throughout this expedition, we've delved deep into the intricacies of copyright laws, trademarks, patents, and trade secrets. We've illuminated the shadows, shedding light on the complexities and nuances often overlooked. Remember, in an era fueled by innovation and creativity, being well informed about your intellectual property rights is not just vital, it's essential. It forms a protective shield that safeguards your innovative ideas and efforts from infringements. This knowledge keeps you not just secure, but also competitive in this rapidly evolving technological world. Rise above, armed with what you've learned about intellectual property rights. Stay informed, stay protected, and keep innovating. Thank you for watching our video on mastering intellectual property rights. We deeply appreciate your time and interest in our content. We strive to produce valuable materials that help you grasp complex concepts with ease. Our goal is to provide insightful, easy-to-understand resources that empower individuals like you to expand their knowledge base. If you believe this video was beneficial, we encourage you to engage with us by hitting the like button, sharing this video among your peers, and subscribing to our channel so you never miss an upcoming video. Remember, your support fuels our passion for educating and empowering innovators like you.